Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to renew your corporation license online. First, find your existing business license and any renewal notices you've received. Next, collect all relevant business information, such as your entity identification number and any updated contact details. Finally, confirm that your online account with the state's Business Services portal is active and accessible before you begin. Once you're ready, log in to your state's official Business Services website using your credentials. Look for a clear link or section labeled Renew License or Annual Report to start the process. It's crucial to carefully review all pre-filled information on the form to ensure everything is accurate and up to date before proceeding to the next step. Now, you'll need to update any changes to your corporation's structure, registered agent, or business address. Fill in any requested financial data or other specific details the form requires. Finally, proceed to the payment section. You can typically pay the renewal fee using a credit card or electronic check directly through the secure online portal. Before you click Submit, take a moment to thoroughly review your entire application for any errors or omissions. Once submitted, save or print the confirmation page and your payment receipt. It's highly recommended to keep both digital and physical copies of these documents for your business records, ensuring you have proof of your renewed license.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.